I do think there's real vampires walking
And
around.
I would, you know what? I don't care if it's like freaking Bella and Edward, or if it's you know, the Nosferatu gnarly teeth, and you know, I'd like
Yeah.
to meet one.
Well, I hear they're
I'd take the-
in the French Quarter in New
I'd take
Orleans.
that bite.
I would too. I would too.
I can get.
I hear that there's actually real vampires in New Orleans. We should check that
New
out.
Orleans is a
Melting pot.
it's a different
That's so
area.
much history.
New Orleans is a different area. It really is. I mean, but then again, we delve into another topic of, you know, the witchcraft, the hoodoo, you know, the voodoo, different things that go on there. They believe real strongly in a lot of this stuff, and they're really into earth magic down there. It
Yeah.
could be that there's another gateway there.